Alright, this is Sprint1. I created a sound system class that that handles all the setup for playing sound in X Audio 2. Here's the system itself. Basically just stored all the variables that you needed, and then we have in the constructor, it sets up some additional things that we need. So like right here, go to initialize, and then there's also like a destroy method that gets called at the end that deletes all the variables and the pointers that we don't need anymore. There's multiple different member functions that get called. So it basically just cleans up main compared to what it was. So I guess now I'll just show you that it works.
This is my voice on the left. This is my voice on the left-hand side. This is my voice on the left. This is my voice on the right. This is my voice on the right-hand side. This is my voice on the right. This is my voice in the center. This is...
Alright, so that's basically all for Sprint 1.